Hey there, it's Rant Man here again. This is, I guess, part 2 of the rant on the Hewlett-Packard SimpliSave USB hard drives. Remember this little thing right here? It had the neat little deal which showed you the light when it was actually accessing. But now, I guess my bitch about this thing, and one of the reasons it drives me crazy, is that this little cocksucker has an automatic CD partition on it, which is CD formatted. And it actually tries to start the goddamn thing when you plug it in your hard drive and into your computer, I mean, and it starts to back up your shit. Now, you got about 20 seconds before you click the X and say, no, motherfucker, I don't want to start backing up my shit on this goddamn thing. So what you do is you go ahead and you go into Windows and you disable your autoplay to not do that or whatever. And then you think, hey, man, you know, I don't really want to use this SimpliSave software. We'll talk about that a little bit later about what the hell is wrong with that little cocksucker software that they put on here. But anyway... My point being that you go in there and you think, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and delete that partition or delete that drive or whatever from that starts this little thing up, and I'll just go ahead and use it just like I have use a regular drive, you know. Well, you go in there and you find out that sure enough there's a thing called HP Launcher on there. The only problem is that's formatted as a CD drive. When you right click on it, it doesn't let you delete the fucking drive. You think, well, I'm a pretty smart little cocksucker, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into my Windows and I'm going to figure out a way to go into my partition, you know, my disk manager or whatever, and I'm going to go ahead and delete that partition or delete that drive because, you know, you think it's just an extra partition. Hell no, it's not an extra partition. This little thing thinks it's actually a CD drive on the inside of this hard drive. And I've searched Google, I've searched everywhere for a way to remove this little goddamn thing, and I can't find out how to remove the CD partition on this drive. Partition Magic won't do it. The administrative tools of Windows won't do it. I searched on Google. Apparently nobody has figured out how to go ahead and delete that damn drive. This virtual drive on here, which is formatted as, I guess, a CDFS, compact disc file system or whatever. Jesus fucking Christ. All I want is, I want this nice little thing with the nice little light over here to be used as my portable backup. But it just confuses the hell out of me every time when I look on my file manager and I got an additional CD drive on there. Man, I tell you, this stuff just wants to make your hair fall out. It's actually working too. They ought to charge for that.